everyone, it's Disney Wishes. Hi. So today we just wanted to open up our Magic at Your Door for you. Yeah, it's pretty big. Also,
really
this is our year anniversary of YouTube and of Magic at Your Door. So, yeah,
it's a huge box.
Yeah, this box is really, really big, so we're super excited to see what's inside. So, here's our price chart, and I don't know if you can see, the confetti is so cute this month. The red, white, and blue and silver. There's nowhere to put it. Uh-oh. I'm gonna have to vacuum. This is so fun.
Big. I don't know if I can see. Oh.
It's all over us now. I'm gonna be cleaning this up for hours. Do you want some help grabbing those?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, they are so cute.
Show the camera. We got these pink ears.
Oh, they are so cute. Oh, they remind me of the Cheshire Cat.
Oh yeah, kinda. I can see that. Except I think they actually have Cheshire Cat ears, don't they?
Yeah, but they still remind me of that. I'm so excited because I'm going to Disneyland without her.
Yeah, they're going to Disneyland for their anniversary without me. So,
Sorry. Look.
I don't think you really are, though. Just kidding.
But I will be taking ears. And I'll take these. I'm so excited.
Yeah, without me, you're not going to get to wear all your ears. It's getting in my eyes.
They're so pretty.
Yes, they are. Okay, should we see what else there is? Do you want some help grabbing that out? Oh, it feels like there's something in it. Oh, that's heavy. I feel like the box is getting heavier, which is weird because we're taking stuff out of it. So,
Yes! I love this.
oh, let's see. Uh-oh, what it just fell out of it? Oh, the silver pouch.
I am so excited because I did request that on their Facebook page.
Let's
Because
see.
we will be going to Star Wars Land.
You guys are going to Galaxy's Edge? They're going to Galaxy's Edge without me.
So I will be wearing this there.
Behind my back, and it's
No,
really
it's a men's shirt. I wear men's shirts all the time. And I love it. It's so beautiful. And I love the silver writing. I'm so excited. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you, Magic at Your Door.
I love it.
Okay, should we see what else we have in here? Oh, wow. There's a lot in here. Oh, wow. Okay, so we got this pin set. It's Aladdin. That's funny. I don't know what this... Comment up here what this, like, bug is. Do you know what that is?
Yes.
Is it from the old Aladdin movie?
Yes.
Is that why I don't know it? I've
I
seen both
love-
of them. I just don't remember the old one.
I do, and it's amazing. I love the old one because it will always be special. Yeah. I love these. Amazing. Thank you so much.
Okay,
Yeah.
are you ready to see what's next?
Yes, I.
Oh, wow.
Oh my goodness.
Should we take that out of the package?
Yes. That's so awesome.
Wow, this is gorgeous.
believe that.
And it comes like on a pin lanyard kind of thing too. Like you can put pins on that. Oh wow. Let's take this out and turn it on.
Oh, that is so awesome. Oh
That is
my goodness.
adorable.
That is so awesome. I'll wear that to World of Color.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Yes.
Okay. Uh-oh, I don't know how I'm gonna get this out.
Uh-oh.
Okay.
That's a little alarming.
Okay.
Oh.
Uh-oh, I don't have scissors. I need to go grab some scissors. Pause of the video. So I see on the back, as I'm taking this out, it has the American Legend stamp on it. So I know it's going to be 4th of July.
Oh. Oh.
It says Laugh, Love, Mickey, and it has a little Mickey on here.
I've got chills.
It can hold a 4x6 and a 5x7 photo. That's nice.
Amazing.
So there's like a thing in the back you can take out so it can hold both.
Thank you so much. I love it.
We're gonna have to find a cute 4th of July photo of us all to put in there at Disneyland.
Yes.
Okay.
I think I've got one.
We still have a silver pouch.
Oh my goodness, yes.
There's no way we're getting more in this box. Holy cow, it's been so good already.
Yeah, it's been amazing.
Oh my goodness! It's a build your own Forky kit.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my, that is adorable. Oh, look, they gave us a spork. That is awesome.
Thank you.
All right, should we recap our prices?
Yes.
Okay, so this is 25 picture frame. Let's see, ears are 28, so 25 plus 28 is 53. 53. Confident in my answer. Then this shirt is 35, so that would be 80, 88. Guys, I'm so good at math. School has been out for so long. Okay, what did I say? 88. And then this is 15. So it's 9. That's 103. And then the pins that went somewhere in this big mess of confetti.
I knew they wouldn't be in.
Okay, so 103 plus 25. So the total value of this box is 128.
Wow.
That is a very very good value. Plus
Yeah.
this, but you can't put a price on Sporky. I
No.
mean, we'll have to film us making it.
Yeah.
So yeah, stay tuned for that video. Make sure you go back and watch our other Magic at Your Door videos. Comment, like, and subscribe if you haven't already. And have a magical day. Thanks.
What a box.